Hey guys, what's up? It's your Hot Squad back here, and today hopping on the quad, brand new, just bought it. However, it's not new; it's a few years old. I think it's like 2010 model or something. But anyway, yeah, we're just gonna drive out here to the field. We already got the tractor and baler waiting out here. I started to do it, then I realized, oh crap, better record this. So yeah, um, yeah, just head out there. It's Ford, same thing with the baler, John Deere baler. So yeah, hopefully those bales do fit on that trailer. Hopefully I'm right about that. Yeah, easy, easy. All right. I don't like doing this. I don't like driving across my cornfield. It makes me feel like I'm damaging it. But yeah, I think it'll be fine. All right. Just pull in right here. I'm gonna jump off. Nice little quad. I believe it's Polaris. Not sure what model, but yeah, here we are. Tractor and baler already. As you can see, I started doing a little bit. Yep. Go ahead and unengage it. So yeah, this is John Deere 568 baler. It has net wrap with it, so it wraps the bales in like this net type deal. It just helps kind of keep the rain off. It helps hold the bales together nicely versus twine, which the bales more likely to come apart. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in a bit.
Yellow two-piece, black array bands, your bare feet covered in sand, white jet trails across a blue sky, your ponytail showing off the sunshine. Like a postcard out of nowhere, you get to me, you give me that smile, and I'm somewhere sunny and 75.
Alright guys, this is it. This last little part. I want to try to get as much as I can kick out a partial bale here. There we go. Yeah, the pickup. Turn the baler off. And back to the farm we go. And we'll come back with this tractor, the loader, and yeah, the truck and the homemade bale trailer. And then we'll pick up the four-wheeler. Yeah. Let's slow down there. Hopefully I didn't damage the baler. But yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and share these videos. Get them out there. We're up to, I believe, what is it, 15 or 16 subscribers, and yeah, our goal now is to maybe get to about 50, and then 100, and baby steps, build up on it. But yeah. Also, I'm just trying to figure out what my next big move financially will be for this farm. I don't know if I want to buy like a Bobcat or something, because fuel costs and whatnot. Yeah, I just don't know. But yeah, definitely considering getting a Bobcat. That my iPad, I think, is in my truck. I'll run down there and I gotta go down there anyway. But yeah, we'll pull up the shop's website and we'll see what they got as soon as I put this baler up. Alright, pull into the shed here, past the hay barn. This is pretty tight. It's gotta go back in there. Alright. Sort of a tight spot here. Try not to hit the auger. I think I'm afraid my tire might. Oh, there we go. Yep. Definitely broke something. Definitely broke something. If I didn't break the auger, I probably just busted the tire. Which would be perfect. Perfect. Hey, it'll be okay. I always fixed it. Alright. Try to hit that hay vine. Need to park it somewhere else. And I really need to reorganize this place. Alright, cut her this way. Let's hope we don't hit the hay line. Beautiful. Nicely done. Alright, woo! Finally. Let's get this trailer back in here. Alright, try not to hit the front end loader. There it is. I don't know why, this baler is like really hard to back up. It's really sensitive. It likes to just kind of do its own thing. Alright, drop a pin. There we go. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And let's go ahead and grab that front end loader with the bale screw on it. Yeah, the main reason I'd like to get a Bobcat is, I mean, the tractor, the thing with the tractor is that it can lift heavier things like round bales, but I'm not saying like we would get a Bobcat that would be too small to do that. You know, yeah, I kind of. Anyway, but yeah, Bobcat just be nice because you know it saves space and whatnot. And yeah, so go ahead and just park this tractor right here. Loader. And out, run down here in my truck, and pull up my iPad, see what kind of skid steer loaders the shop has. Alright, jump into it here. Alright, there it is. Okay, let's look here. Skid steer loaders right here. Alright, so they got a new Holland on wheels. Looks nice. New Holland on tracks. Nice, sir. Yeah, if I had to choose between these two New Hollands, I think I'd probably go with this one right here, the C232, because I would like one with tracks on it. Just because, but if you hit a hole, these wheels are going to fall down into it and they're going to bounce you around and whatnot. And if you're in a hurry not wearing your seatbelt, then you know, you bust your head in the cab or whatever. But hang on, I want to see, is this, there we go. This one comes with tracks. Okay, this one looks very nice. Yeah, saying, and then you like, you run over a hole with these and it just goes right across, nice smooth sailing. That and tracks just better, man. Get better grip with tracks. Or I believe with this one we can, yeah, say we can get chains on them, which these are kind of light tracks, but still, you're always worried about breaking a link or it falling off or something. T870 looks pretty nice. It comes tracks only. Looks like it's big, buffy. Looks like you can handle a round bale pretty well. Take a look at the other ones. Alright, let's say we got some cases, John Deere's, and Kubotas. Let's go this case. I don't know. I don't really like the lift arm design. I don't really like it. It just doesn't seem very sturdy. What kind of designs can be changed for it? You get a bigger engine in it, but that's not really gonna affect anything. Alright, and then this looks like the same equivalent, just on wheels. Yeah, these wheels are really spaced apart. And with the whole lift arm thing. Like, if these wheels spaced apart, you're more likely it'll be like more tipsy, sort of. You go up a hill and it'll keep leaning back and leaning back and leaning back. And if you have your arms picked up, holding a round bale or something, then you're more likely to flip over. But no, oh, this kind of wheels. I'm sure we can get. Yeah, there's the tracks. I don't know. I've operated John Deere before. I don't really like them, but I mean, nothing against John Deere makes better construction equipment than farm equipment for the most part. But I just don't know about this John Deere. I'm sure it's a nice machine, but this here is Kubota. Nice lift arm design. Comes on track SVL 952. Wow, paying the big bucks for these. 60 grand. Dang, it's kind of like the Kubota equivalent of the Bobcat 870. But I think I'll have to end up going to Bobcat because this has depth with it, and I'm just not a fan of depth. I think it ruins diesel engines and stuff. But yeah, I think I'll have to go that and depth is expensive, and I can't really, in the long run, I think this T870 is better. Even though it's a little more costly, I think that the T870 will do us a lot more good for a skid steer. So yeah, that's our plan to maybe get one of those. But anyway, yeah, fuels are burning. We're at half a tank. This truck doesn't really get very good gas mileage anyway. So yeah, I guess we'll just jump up here and grab the hay trailer and out to the field, drive the quad back, and jump in the tractor, and here we go. And did I put the tailgate? Yep, I put the tailgate down for you. Alright. So hopefully we're looking forward to going to my brother's farm maybe. You know, if we get some free time or whatever. I think maybe my cousin will be there too. Or you tell. Alright, there we go. Come up. Tailgate's up. Alright, to the hayfield. Yeah, hopefully maybe sometime soon. I'll just have my thoughts on it. Maybe sometime soon I can maybe, you know, get a road built back in here. You know, maybe like go around the cornfield. That way you don't have to drive through it. Or I could just like build a road through the cornfield, I guess. I mean, but I'm losing ground and I kind of need that right now. So definitely not now, but maybe in the future. And gotta be careful on this creek crossing that we don't bust anything. Take her easy. Boom, there we go. I'm pretty sure this thing has off-road buckshot tires anyway. Yeah, and that hay trailer's sitting back there bouncing along. Yeah, I didn't really expect to get much out of this hayfield, to be honest. I think I may have to go mow somewhere else because, I mean, I didn't expect much, but I expected more than what I got. I expected at least, like, you know, a full bale trailer, but it turns out I'm pretty sure I only got 1, 2, 3, 4 bales. Yeah, jump on the quad here, we go look. Yeah, during the time lapse, yeah, I saw it, guys. I should have known better. I meant to change it, but I didn't. The bale rolled because of the downhill grade that I never really noticed before. Yeah, that bale back here is only a partial bale. It's 1, 2, 3. There's 4. That bale that rolled way down, and then there's slow down. I don't want to flip it. That would be bad. Good hope all over again. Yeah, I think only that many bales, huh? I was hoping to get a little bit more, but yeah, I own this land back here, this little hayfield, and I was just kind of hoping for more, but yeah, I'm kind of glad it's back here, it's a nice little hayfield. Yeah, we'll go ahead and take us back up to the farmyard and jump on the tractor and be right back down. Easy now. Don't want to be going too fast. Alright, this thing would take this quick like a bit. Ah, dang it, got my pants all wet. Should have slowed down for that. Man, I'm soaking wet. Oh well, it'll be alright. Alright, up and away. Okay. I guess we'll just park the quad here. Here our Polaris. Rip off. Into the Ford tractor. Yeah, the reason I said that, I'm not, nothing against Ford truck, nothing against Ford. I like their tractors, but their trucks, nah, I have to say I have to go with Chevy. I'm more of a Chevy guy than a Ford guy. Don't hate me for it, guys. Just, the only reason is because I always hear bad things about Ford. I hardly hear any bad things about Chevy. Alright, because a friend of mine had and he still has it, it's a brand new Ford F-250. Just bought it new, and front axle right up out of it. And it wasn't even like a month old or so, month or two old, and it just went out of it. And I think it's just a truck frame. So even like Ford, I think the Ford Explorer, whatever one that's like really big, really big SUVs that go on truck frame or whatever. Yeah, it's got the same issues, but yeah, I think it's just the front gearbox is what goes out of it. But yeah, like I said, but you get a nice old Ford, like that old Chevy, and you got yourself a really good truck. When it comes to older vehicles like that, like 1960s, 70s, 80s models, you definitely have a really good truck. or just car, truck, vehicle in general. They used to build cars on truck frames, and people pulled campers with them. So yeah, just any older vehicle is actually really nice. All right, so let's see if my theory was correct. Holy cow! I think I'm bouncing. Yeah, this is only a partial bail. Can't wait to see what happens with the full bail. May have to go get a weight. All right, yeah, that fits a lot better. It looks like I can get angled right here. Uh, easy now, gentle, gentle. There we go. Whoa! Too much no luck. Okay, beautiful. All right, let's just center this on up here. All right, maybe, possibly. Let's put this down and we'll go out and take a look here. Yeah, looks like it's off the ground. Maybe I can push on it. Ugh. 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 Yeah, no, ain't happening. I'll have to fix it with the tractor. So basically all it looks like, oh, I could put straps there. Okay, nice, very nice. So yeah, basically what I'm gonna have to do is just gonna pick it up and bring it back a bit, because I believe that it is off the ground. Hopefully, maybe not. If not, well then I'm gonna have to get a different hay trailer, for sure. Yeah, I guess we'll just jump back in the tractor here and fix this all up. Yeah, it's off the ground, I can see that from here. Alright, it's a plus. No fixed, leveled out. Perfection. Yeah, I know, for those of you who play Farm Sim, this looks like a grass bale, and it's actually not, it's actually a hay bale. It's just, I guess it's just how John Deere thing is. Yeah. Beautiful. That's it right there, that is money. Alrighty. I don't think I'll time lapse this next part, because it'll only take like a second, but I might as well time lapse because I'm not very good at this. Like whole bale thing with the mail screw and whatnot, so yeah, I guess I'll go ahead and time lapse it.
Just a good old boy, never meaning no harm. Beats all you never saw, been in trouble with the law since the day they was born. Straightening the curves, yeah, flattening the hills. Someday the mountain might get 'em, but the law never will.
Alright guys, this is it, last bale. Yeah, I know, big time lapse. Right, yeah. I think I'm gonna have to buy a weight for this tractor because it keeps, the bales are like really big and they keep picking up the front of the back end of the tractor. And that's the whole reason I was worried about with the Bobcat, is that it would do the same thing, but you know, Bobcats are built pretty heavy. You need a pretty big trailer to you know, haul those things. And I think I may have one. Yeah, the shop may have one. I'm not really looking to a beaver tail, more of a gooseneck. Yeah, let me just put this bale up and then we'll get back on the shop store and then we'll look around for some trailers. Because, you know, Bobcats are not known for their speed, so yeah, that's the only reason I haven't really bought a trailer. There some ratchet straps on it. There we go. So yeah, the only reason I haven't really bought a trailer is because, you know, like I showed you guys, the shop's like right there. So there's some ratchet straps up on it. There's that here. There we go. Bales are secure. They should not move anywhere. Yeah, another thing that's up on the to-do list: repaint this old truck. I might do that off camera since it's gonna, you know, take a while. But yeah, I guess we can just go ahead and, heck with it. Let's go see what the shop has here. Here we are. Alright, let's go here. Let's see. Let's go to low loaders. I think it's in here. Here we are. Versatile transport trailer. Huh. Doesn't seem like anything. Oh, okay. Yeah. That's just a bit too big for my likings. There's the beaver tail. Like I said, not looking into it. Ooh, this 82 20-foot looks real nice. Alright, what about these PJ trailers? Let's take a look at that. Ooh, here we go. This is a really nice trailer. It looks like a nice little equipment trailer. See the designs. Oh, we can put rails on. That'd be real nice. Yeah, this looks like a really nice little equipment trailer. Anything else? What's this? Oh, okay, this looks like just a small little mower trailer. What's it? Okay, that's a 40-footer. We definitely don't want that. 24-foot. That actually just may do us. Flat deck. Oh, that's cool. Field support. You can put like liquid fertilizer and herbicide in it. So yeah, I think the only thing I don't like about this trailer is that it's pulled by the tongue, which on trailers the tongue is that thing right there. And if you get too heavy of a load on tongue and you're going downhill, it'll like jackknife really easily. And then there you are, jackknife truck in a ditch or flipped over, even worse. I think I'll have to end up going with this gooseneck. Yeah, this gooseneck seems pretty nice. I haven't had much experience with PJ trailers, so I don't know how they are, but yeah, let's see what we can do with the different colors here. It doesn't look like it changes anything. Anyway, we'll just leave it back to the original. But then I'll wait. Alright, so let's buy it here. Beautiful. Yeah, and then we'll buy our Bobcat here in a bit as we get up to the house. We'll just go into the shop when we go to pick up our trailer. Alright, easy on the creek crossing. Trying to splash water up onto the hay. Oh crud, I think she powered out. Hang on, let me back up here. Oh crap, I think I'm stuck. Now let me jump out here and see what's going on. Oh yeah. Stuck in the mud. Nope, it's hung up back here. The trailer is. I don't know. Maybe we can try to back up. I love the sound of that Duramax. I'm giving her in reverse. Trying to anyway. See if we can pull forward a bit any. Okay, making a little progress. Making a little progress going forward. Keep the wheels cut. Put the wheels the other way to see what happens. Oh, just leave them straight. Nah, I think it's better if we cut the wheels. I really don't want to get the tractor and push, but I think maybe what I end up having to do. Yeah, let's go ahead and straighten the wheels out here. Yeah, wait a minute. There we go. Sorry, just had to throw her in neutral real quick. Alrighty, near the tractor. Yeah. Yeah, I can't wait for harvest. I can't wait to see how much that brings in. That'll bring in quite a bit of money, I hope. Alrighty. Get over here to the truck. And give her a nice slow push on the rear end of the trailer. Alright. Give it a nice push. Oh dang. He's really stuck. I think we're making a little bit of progress. I think if I had someone else here to drive the truck, that it would get out a lot easier. Alright. Well. Plan B, I guess. I have to push from the front. Hopefully I don't damage the truck too much. Because, you know, it's in pretty good condition other than the paint job. The body work is just fine. Alright. I like to push from the bumper, but that's the thing that spikes the things will go through. Actually, you know what? Why didn't I think of this before? Go ahead and just drop off the bale spike, and there we go. No problem. Now let's push from the bumper. Hopefully this works. Push from the bumper. Alright, maybe hit it a little bit. Let's not hurt it. Yeah, nope. Alright, let's try to take it from the back. Oh gosh. I think it's becoming more of a chore than ever. It's already 6:30 at night. It's getting dark. Spring. Can't wait for summer when the days get longer. And maybe then we'll have to fertilize the fields. Alright, now this trailer I don't care much about, so we're just gonna go ahead and ram it. Come on. Alright, well we definitely moved it a bit, so let's just go ahead and jump out of the tractor. Jump back in the truck. Alright, let's try this. It ain't really backing up. Try to cut the wheels. You know what? Plan C. Just unhook from it. And then I guess we can hit it with our truck. Again, don't really want to damage it because with the body work it's fine. Don't need the tractor either. I guess we can like back into it. Tailgate's down. Alright, don't really want to do this, but here we go. Making more progress this way. There we go. Alright, we're getting somewhere. Yeah, definitely have to work on that a bit. Maybe put some gravel down or something. Maybe just like kind of level out this area here. You know, run a bulldozer and level it out a bit. Got possibly a D8. Something's got pump to it. Not like a puny little D6. Although it would be nice to have a dozer on the farm, just, you know. For instance, like this, you know, you just hook onto the trailer and pull it right on up out. Alright. And just one more final push, hopefully. Ooh, that was a good one. I think we're almost free. One more guys, one more for luck. Give her some. There we go. Alright, well, let's hope that we got it. They gotta roll coal. Surprised this old Duramax can't handle it. Alright, go. Come on now, girl. I know you want to go. Doing better than you was before, that's for sure. Come on. Go. They made a bad mistake there. Cutting the wheels the wrong way. No, now keep doing. Keep turning. Keep turning. Come on, girl. You got this. You can do it. I see that tire spinning. It wants to go. Come on. You got this. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. You know you want to go. You know you want to go. Come on. Come on. You got this. You can do this. Don't crap out on me now. You're doing so good. Come on now. The tires are hitting. these back bales here. Ah, crud. This ain't good. I don't like it. Maybe can we back up and get a running start? Or hang on, can we back up completely? Like ski along here. There we go, that's beautiful. There's what we want, boys. Alright, now we're gonna really have to hit it. To really yeet it here, boys. Alright, give her some. Come on, you can do this. Come on. Come on. You got this. There we go. That's what I'm talking about right there. Hallelujah. Praise the Lord. We got it. Alright, we'll be back to get the rest of that stuff later. Just run back down the field here. We have to mow this. Maybe mow this off, but hey, no, later on. Summer's coming up. And maybe then we'll get the bottom done, maybe. Alrighty, where are we gonna put these? Maybe we might as well just put them with the straw bales. And yeah, I hope that this is enough to feed the sheep for now. I'm not gonna get very many, only about like 10 head of sheep, or is that just cows? I mean, just count the cows by the head. Alright, there we threw the straps off. Alright, let's go get that tractor. Long walk away. Also, yeah, I also seen this pond here. Maybe we go fishing sometime. You know, kind of peaceful relaxation. Then there's this whole cabin here that I really want to look at. Because, you know, I haven't really got a chance. It's like just an old shack. It's all boarded up. Walk through the brush here. Oh, yeah. Never been rednecked up a bit. She's a shotgun shack, that's for sure. Maybe we can... there we go. Easy, easy. I can just see me falling through. Yeah, looks like you got a little door up there. We open that. Nope. It's bullshit. Whoa, easy, easy. Let's grab onto this. Yeah, definitely, definitely a shotgun shack, that's for sure. Easy now. Yeah, be some 10 missing, some rough patch. Wonder, yeah, easy. Almost fell off. I wonder if anyone actually ever lived here. Because, you know, you see the roof's got a little bow to it. What's this down here? Maybe I can jump. Okay. Oh, okay. Just a little, like, looks like for wood storage. But yeah, definitely an interesting little cabin to open that little area up. Alright. Walk along here. Oh, bell spike. Surprised me. What's through here? Back in the tractor. Alright, it's got the bale spike on load. Go get some sheep in a trailer. And yeah. Alright, so yeah, hang on, crap, my iPad is on. I was gonna check the growth of our fields because I just like made this deal. I forget what company it is. That yeah, they monitor your yields and stuff. Like they make an estimate of where they are before like you know the seeds pop up out of the ground. I think this field and field number 1 are growing. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. That little field number 2, I think that this is probably going to be the only year we do a harvest out of it, because to be honest, it's pretty small. Need to get in the habit of bringing my iPad everywhere. Alright, let me just open the door here. Yeah, right here it is. Okay, jump out. Alright, go ahead, get on here real quick. Yeah, so, wrong app. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Alrighty. Apparently it has to save something. Okay, so go ahead and click it. Okay, this is all the land that we own, all the screen here. Oh, I didn't know we owned that. have to go back there and investigate all this stuff and even find a decent grass field. That looks like there's one right there. But anyway, so field number 1 here, field number 2, you can see how small it is. Field number 14, field number 13. Wheat and corn. Kind of like your basic groups. And anyway, so, yeah. So this green means they're growing, and this shade of yellow here means that they're planted. And the only thing I don't like about this app is because the planted looks a lot like the ready to harvest. So, you know, it's kind of confusing, but you should know that, you know, hey, I just planted that. So, yeah, little satellite view of like the whole area around here. Looks like 27 is our biggest field. That'll be one heck of a day when we get that field. Yeah, field number 15 is really weird. It's got like all these little branches and stuff come out of it. That would definitely be a challenge to harvest. Yeah, I'm not really sure like what other not really sure like what next field I'm gonna buy, because a lot of these fields are really small, like smaller than what you start out with. Like field 32, it's like double the size of field 2. That's it. 33 and 16. Hopefully like upgrade a bit, but I don't want to be too far from the farm, because you know, maybe field number 3 would probably be our next investment, or number 19, one of those two. In fact, I think if you tap on it here, maybe. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, here we go. Oh, wow. That's actually a pretty cheap amount of land. Holy cow. But still, it may, like I said, may break the bank. So we need to be wise with our money, even though we have $147,000. That's quite a bit, but still, not really much when it comes to farming. Like, for example, here, we'll go ahead and pull up the shop. Let's go to harvesters here. It says basic New Holland is 100 grand. This little thing right here. It doesn't even do much. It's not very big. And this S790 here is over 300 grand. It's almost 400 grand. It is 400 grand. And so, yeah. But what we have now is this one. It's only 71 grand. Like I said, it's what my uncle had. And so I think a significant upgrade for that would maybe be this right here for 300 grand. I mean, it looks like, you know, it's got a little more storage and whatnot. Yeah, I mean, to be honest, they're kind of like the same thing. This is just like a more modern version of it. You know, you get tracks for it, wide tires or whatever, but you know, I'm not real into tracks early on. Maybe, you know, wide tires, that'd be about it. Wide tires would be as fancy as we get. Yeah, because it looks right. But yeah, absolutely. That would probably be our upgrade. If not that, then maybe this Massey Ferguson here, because I like Massey Ferguson. The combines are pretty decent. Yeah. Yeah, I can't wait to see this farm boom. So yeah, I guess we'll just offload this bale trailer. Yeah. Yep, we're definitely getting a weight. Definitely gonna buy a weight. That's definitely happened. Actually, in fact, beforehand, while we're at it, we'll just go over here and deliver this to the sheep field, even though there's nothing here. No, it's worth it. Let's see here, if I remember correctly. The bale goes. Alright, where's bale? Ooh, easy, easy. Woohoo! There we go. Alright, you gotta turn the lights on, it's getting late. That looks like a water trough here. We guess looks like a food trough. See what I said? My uncle tried to shake this hill here. Yeah, definitely, it's definitely gonna be a challenge. There we go. Can drop that off there. Oh, so that's the feed trough over there. Huh? Cool. I swear I thought that was the water trough. Oh well, that'll be okay. Easy now. Easy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Watch that edge. Watch that edge. Definitely have to watch that edge. Oh yeah, go drop that bale off there. Oh Lord, I'm starting to scare myself a bit. Back him up. And there we go. And yeah, definitely gonna buy a weight when we get there. Load it back on the truck. Be very careful. I hope I can get this all done before dark. I really don't want to work in the night because my lights aren't the greatest. Like I said, you know, this tractor's from 1970 something. Came with the farm. Oh, oh crap. That one was in there too deep. That's the one I had to fidget with. Oh well, it'll be okay. Nothing was damaged. The bales just flew out. But no biggie, no biggie. Oh, yeah. Definitely rearrange that. Ah, got my tongue. Oh crap. There we go again. But yeah, definitely gonna rearrange this Quantum hut, the inside of it. Because it definitely needs it. Like we saw earlier. Me trying to get the baler in. Oh, that's a little intense. Yeah, I guess I kind of noticed there's a slight downgrade of a slope there. Maybe we're stacked one bale a different way just to keep them all from rolling. Maybe one of these straw bales. But yeah, you can definitely notice the difference between these tiny little straw bales and these big round bales. But yeah, definitely we're going to use that baler and we're going to bale the straw that we produced from our wheat. Kind of one of the main reasons I planted it. Yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to getting some cows, maybe. You know, maybe like get rid of this old sheep pasture here and getting a nice big cow place, cow pen. Yeah, like the only reason I didn't get cows now is because they take a lot of more stuff. Like they take silage and a bunch of other stuff and whatnot. And a lot of it takes like some really high-powered equipment. So I didn't really decide. I just decided, yeah, no. Hang on. Where is it? Okay, here's the dump box. So basically, there's two ways you can do silage. One is with where are they at? Called loader wagons. Here's loading wagons. And this may only require 95 horse, but as you can see, just a little loading wagon. Basically, what it does is it picks up the grass, and it's supposed to be wet when you pick it up, so we can burn it into silage. And then the second way is with where they at? Forage harvesters right here. So basically, these forage harvesters, take this John Deere for example. What they do is they take corn, and they throw it through a header, which should be here somewhere. I'm just trying to show you guys that way you guys, have a, at least you have somewhat of a clue what I'm talking about here. Where's that? Forage harvester header. So right here, this is meant to like go on the back of a tractor. It looks like. These are for trees right here. You can plant trees and harvest them with that. Although that's not what we're interested in. Anyway, with this right here, this is what you use to pick up. You can use this like a loading wagon. It picks up the grass, and then it just takes it to the chopper, which is what they're called. It takes it to the chopper and it trucks it out the big pipe there. And this, you can make silage from just about anything. As you see down here, it says grass, wheat, barley, soybeans, canola, etc., alfalfa. But yeah, and then there's your corn headers. You've probably seen these before. The other corn headers. And yeah, for the John Deere, I have multiple headers. But yeah, that's that. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump out. We'll go ahead and pull the truck ahead. That way we can grab this stuff. Yeah, park right there, jump out. And jump on up the old Ford here. And grab this bale. Yeah, unfortunately, I think we may be working in the dark a little bit. Just a little bit. Hopefully not. I don't think we will though. Now when harvest time comes around, we'll definitely be working in the dark probably. Unless, you know, we have like a really quick harvest. But field number 1 is our biggest field, so it, you know, holds our most grain. Our biggest yield, so definitely care for field number 1, and I'm not going backwards because I'm picked up off the ground. That's an issue. Definitely gonna get a weight. This is ridiculous. Holy cow. Whoa! Bouncing our front wheels, as usual. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna throw it back here to the rest of them in our, pile. Air quotes, pile. Here, whoa! Easy now. Yeah, you know what? I'm tired of fighting it. I'm gonna sit you right there. There you go, there's your new home, your acquaintance, your new roommates, yada. Alright, so 2 options for this field. One, after this harvest, we get rid of the sheep pen and we level off that ground, and we can take a plow and plow the rest of the field down, make it bigger, or we're just making it into a grass field. So yeah, you guys go ahead, put it in the comments below what you want to see done. And yeah, we'll just see, because I don't really, you know, it doesn't matter to me. I can tear that sheep pen down. It does make some money, but yeah, then again, you know, look how much field you're gaining, how much more yield you can get, more money you can get, you know. Farm stuff. Farmer knees, if you will. And then jump in the old truck. And drop that tailgate down. Go ahead and hook from the hay trailer. Boom, good. Slam tailgate. Perfect. Good Lord, I'm a madman. I'm a madman driving. Watch out, people. Alright, stop both ways. Turn signal. See, not too bad of a madman. Alright, let's pull it up here to the shop and get the trailer back down. I think that'll be it for this video. So yeah. Whoa! Lord, jumped the intersection there. Hopefully there wasn't any cops around. Yeah. Gosh, it's some nice equipment. There she is. There's a new trailer. I'm gonna jump out here, take a look at it as usual. Yeah, tires look nice. As I said, brought it brand new. So, yeah, it looks right. Is that a spare tire up here? Heck yeah. All right. So, hang on. Oh wow, watch out for the parts here. Looks like another farmer brought in their cultivator. That's not good. Oh, it does look fairly old. Looks like they washed it up, just judging by the decals here. Yeah, the John Deere doesn't really use it as decals anymore. It's old. See what I'm saying? Like newer tractors, newer decals, doesn't look like it. Alright, so go ahead and pull into the shop here. Okay. So what did I need? Oh yeah, that's right, need to buy a skid steer from y'all. Alright, this T870, I think is our final decision. Let's get her. Oh man, down to 81 grand. Oh, that's gonna, let's hope these sheep bring good money in wool. I really hope they do. Alright, now I'll just buy our basic bucket for it. Not telehandlers, skid steer loaders here. Yeah, I believe there's a Bobcat bucket. Here it is. Bobcat bucket right here. $700. Over 60 grand in vehicle. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm down to 80 grand. This is, it's gonna be really bad. Let's go jump in. Okay. Ooh, nice bright lights. That's what I like. Alright. Up works. Wow, baby reaches up there. Alright. Okay. That works. Looking good. It's looking real good. Alright. Well, let's go ahead and grab this bucket. Alright, see how it handles it. Handles it pretty well. Decent anyway. Yeah, I don't know about this, guys. It's kind of laggy with the bucket. Yeah. I'm just like, turn around. Daddy, look at him. His bucket's swimming. What? Yeet. Illuminati confirmed. What is it dumb? Yeah, no, yeah, it's pretty laggy, guys. I don't know about it. I think we may just have to sell it here real quick. Yeah, definitely consideration of getting a Bobcat, but I just don't know. Maybe later on. Maybe after harvest. After harvest. We'll say after harvest. See what I said? Not known for their speed. Alright. Go ahead. Back in here. In the shop. Alrighty. Go ahead and here. Garage. Alright there, yep. Sorry guys, take it back. I can't have it. It's too expensive, it doesn't work. 5 Bobcat trouble. Beautiful. There we go, made all of our money back. Wait, what the heck? This IBC going. Oh, what to be this? Oh, so that's where you repair. I was kept looking for that icon. I was like, what the heck? Okay, so maybe that IBC just placed it by accident. Yeah, woo, watch that cultivator. Ow, sucker's a knee getter. Alright, let's grab a trailer and get going. It's almost dark. It's 8:30 at night. I'm tired, been working all day. Yeah, turn some lights on. Bright lights. It's really dark. Okay, need to turn. And or maybe, hopefully, yes. Beautiful. I'm gonna put the tailgate up and back it on up. Make sure that trailer don't jackknife like it almost did. Alrighty, and away we go. Yeah, this PJ trailer looks really nice. It's nice to have just like a little gooseneck trailer, you know, just kind of haul stuff around. Ah, it's one too wide. Oh yeah, that's the thing with these trailers, you gotta kind of swing them wide a bit. That's, again, I swung too wide. And that's what happens. The lower not hauling a house trailer. Although I have done that before, and it's not easy, I should say. You know, swing real wide, and they're pulled by the tongue of the truck, and therefore they push you around a lot. Not saying these things don't, but that's saying I was jackknifing left and right. I was barely able to keep control of it. It was crazy. That was back in Ohio. I think that was before. That was my summer job. Was working for a guy, and that's what he had me doing. He had me pulling house trailers with his Ford I believe it was an F550 with duals on it. Or an F450. Something like that. Like I said, not a Ford guy, more of a Chevy guy. Don't hate me for it, please. I'm just, like I said, older vehicles, then yeah, you got a good vehicle. But newer, I'm gonna have to go with Chevy. They're all pretty bad, but Chevy. That's so. Alright, trailer looks fine right there on the hillside. Alright, so yeah. Oh man, I'm tired. Alright, I'm gonna pull the truck in here. So yeah, this is definitely one of those longer videos, that's for sure. Yeah, pulling the truck, shut the lights off. Yep. Alright guys, I'm gonna head to bed. I'm gonna go to bed. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Nice and rested. Bye for now.